back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I styled and installed this glueless wig by Hot Beauty Hair. So Hot Beauty Hair sent me this 18-inch 4x4 bang closure bang wig. This wig is made to be worn glueless, so you can literally just take it off. Like, it looks like scalp, and you can just do this. It's a really good wig for beginners, and you get a whole lot of goodies in the box. You get the wig cap, the wig bag that the wig comes in. You get a really cute goodie bag, which you can tell there's nothing in it, but I got an edge brush, a pair of tweezers, a rat tail comb, and these really cute pins. So if you want to see how I got this look, let's get started. Before I bleached the knots, I noticed that there was a weird piece of, well, it's not weird, but there was a piece of lace covering the closure. So I just cut it off because, like, why? So I used a 40 volume developer to bleach my knots. And reminder, every time you bleach your knots, make sure that your consistency of your bleach is thicker than toothpaste. Make sure it's thick like Vaseline, thick like Eco Styler, whatever consistency that resonates with you. Make sure your bleach is that thick. So of course, y'all already know that I wash my wigs before I style, install, do anything to them. So now I'm just blow drying the wig after I washed it, and I'm about to section off the hair so I can flat iron it. So for my serum, I use the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, and I have an 8-ounce bottle that I got from Amazon. So yeah, I'll just link that down below. So this is what the wig looks like. The bangs are so freaking cute. When I took it out the box, I was like, I'm not sure about this, but that's what the hair looks like when it's straightened. And now I'm about to add some pin curls, and y'all see me trying to curl hair the right way. It honestly didn't work, so I just went back to doing it my way. You see, I wrap the hair around, and I kind of just treat it like a curling wand, except I do not twist the hair. So I get curling iron curls, but not using the curling iron way, I guess you could say. So I just do pin curls. I've really been into the pin curls lately, and they're my favorite. I just love how they look, and whenever I take them down, they stay up longer, and I just think it's cute. So y'all already know I was not about to include footage of me curling this entire wig because y'all would be bored, but this is what my pin curls look like. I absolutely love them, and I'm debating on whether I want to do waves or just have curls for when I take this wig down. This is what the wig looks like. The lace is giving real scalpiana. She's looking real scalped, and my bleaching did its thing. Hot Beauty Hair designed this wig to where you don't have to wear glue. So in this video, I'm only going to be using Got To Be Glued freeze spray. You can either use a freeze spray, you can use glue, or you can just wear it as is, because there is an elastic band in it. And you also have, what is this? You also have 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and you have an additional elastic band in the back. So there really is no need for the Got To Be Glued or the glue, but if you want that extra security, then you may do so. To pause this fast motion clip to say that it is the scalp for me, honey. Even though this is a bang wig and I really didn't have to bleach the knots, I just kind of wanted to bleach them anyway. So I said that I was going to put some Got To Be Glued on there, but this wig is truly glueless, y'all. Like, it's not moving whatsoever, and I really didn't put the combs in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace, take the pin curls down, and then show y'all what it looks like at the end. This is what the wig looks like. These bangs are pre-cut. I did not cut these bangs that came with the wig. The only thing I did was I bleached the knots and I put some pin curls in it. I didn't have to do anything. I have to glue this wig down, as you can see. So this is kind of like I guess you could say an intermediate wig, because you do have to do some manipulation with the bangs. But if you already know how to do that, then you are good to go. So you have come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.